Agreeing with the defence counsel, Judge Gyanda found the siblings acted with diminished responsibility.
In respect of accused number 3, she is sentenced to serve a term of imprisonment of 12 years each on each of the 2 counts. Both are ordered to run concurrently.
The judge was less lenient towards Naidu.
And I am obliged to impose upon you the sentence prescribed by law. You are sentenced on each of the 2 counts to life imprisonment. Both are to run concurrently.
Nicolette Lotte will have to spend at least 10 years in prison before she's eligible for parole. Her brother Hardis at least 6. Judge Gyanda maintained that Nicolette and Hardis were under the influence of Naidu. They believed he was the 3rd son of God. It was in his order that they carried out their parents' murder. The court found that both had shown remorse and admitted guilt. Nicolette had stabbed her mother to death while Hardis strangled his father. The judge called Naidu a con artist who manipulated the siblings. Naidu pleaded his innocence till the end. Analysts say Naidu's harsh sentence could be justified because the judge found him to be the mastermind.
When the court came to assess those factors, it probably concluded that there is no possibility of rehabilitation where Naidu is concerned. And I do know from what we've read that he showed very little, if any, remorse at all for what had happened.
Naidu appeared unfazed when sentence was passed. The murders had a devastating effect on the Lotte family. Another sibling, Christelle, apparently has cut all ties with her brother and sister. But today there was talk of reconciliation.
Riding an emotional roller coaster between anger and forgiveness. But I think we have finally arrived at a place where we can say we can start a constructive process.
And there were already tangible signs of forgiveness. Renee Heine, SABC News, Durban.